Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to mirror iPhone to your MacBook screen in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing guys, if you wanted to control your phone or your iPhone guys, because your phone are kind of damaged or the screen of your phone is damaged, so you just have and you wanted to connect it to your MacBook to control it, you can actually guys do that by doing these steps. Okay, so first thing guys is you need to go to your to your apps. Okay, and let's say you search for a iPhone mirroring. Okay, this one guys, so you just have to click that one. Okay, and after that guys, so as you can see on my screen guys, on this iPhone mirroring guys, it says that it is unable to connect to iPhone or to my iPhone guys. So why is it not functioning properly? Because it says that to set up mirroring, to make sure your iPhone is near this Mac, powered on, running iOS 18 or later. Okay, so from this word guys, running iOS 18, so my iPhone is not like an upgraded one, so that's why I wasn't able to connect guys. So if your iPhone is an iOS 18 or later, you can actually connect it to your MacBook, and you just after opening this application, you just automatically click the connect button and it will connect to your iPhone and um monitoring or monitoring your iPhone guys. So that's it guys, so I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.